Yeah, you know, say a black talent and we represent for the scholars at large again, right? Yo, scholar they are here, we rigid and tough. All when we see the squaddy with the man cuff. DJ Smokey play the rhythm and just listen up. Couple ride, couple bike with the stand down. Couple teams, couple night with the bang sound. You no see them a fight for the Dan crown. Have to sleep every night with the 1 pound. Still a big gal a feature the compound. Heretic and if a Keisha the clump round. She bun clown and me she want jump round. Scholar click we run town. Yeah, cut up the weed, get them all the cock fly. That's how we do it and nobody not spy. They grab a leaf, make me travel past sky. Sneakers and on my jeans, you know what fi ask why. We make it seem like the rat in a try. The thing a scream and your Jackie la cry. And we no lean so your catty want try. Scholar we no nyami so no hockey can't tie. Portmore, bad gal a give me job and me a boss. Hear the match at it never bother me a. Be a gal a sign up with the academy a cross. And a study for the loving like the agony a class. Push a flick cut up and they grab a fear touch. Woman a back up with the dada she a arch. Rise up the thing them like a flag and we a march. Chada we a floss and I never dragon in a glass. We a get them all the cock fly. That's how we do it and nobody not spy. They grab a leaf, me travel past sky. Sneakers and on my jeans, you know what fi ask why. We make it seem like the rat in a try. The thing a scream and your Jackie la cry. And we no lean so your catty want try. Scholar we no nyami so no hockey can't.
Hey, smooth stealing from the body self, Black Talent. Pick up yourself, what you mean? 100%, yo, trust me. Black Talent always afford something. You know what I mean? Our General, Black Talent. What you think?
Yo, Vaz, Black Talent. Body no me General. Song well arrow, you hear me I tell you me General. Me just feel like the rhythm be kinda a little loud. Or you should maybe project your voice a bit more. So you're over. You know what I mean? Shot of the rhythm, you see me? But the rhythm kind of give a competition up the warm time, you see me? So for me, more than give a 8, you see me? I deal with well done still.
Alright, thank you for that, our General. Tall Boss, let me hear what you have to say now.
Yeah, man, the artist bad. You know me I say, I flow up on the rhythm and I enjoy himself. And you know me I say, I have him style. Yeah, man, I give him a 8 also. You see what I deal with?
A 8?
Yeah, man, bad song.
Alright, so everybody should out a number for the artist, huh? Yeah, show out some numbers because so I go on. Alright, New York Body should give you a 7. Kisha Las Vegas 7. 8. Lady Tash give you a 8. Tall Boss give you a 8. What? Alright, General give you a 8. Hey, remember, make sure all score written down right now. That was the artist Black Talent. What you mean?